Hi you guys, in this video we will be creating a character pumpkin. You will be needing a yarn from your local Walmart, scissors, a Sharpie marker, and super glue to create this pumpkin character. You can get your pumpkin from your local Walmart and just stencil out the face and start applying the little short hairs that you can cut off the yarn and just place it around wherever you like it. Next, you're going to cut out longer pieces of yarn because this is what we'll be putting on the back of the pumpkin to create a ponytail effect. And voila! Your character pumpkin is done. Just get your Sharpie marker and fill in the face and make sure you gather all the hair that's at the top to make your ponytail. Add a barrette to keep it all together to cover the stem, and there you go, your character pumpkin. I created this character pumpkin for my daughter for her school project, and she is just super excited and super happy to turn this in. And there you go, your character pumpkin. Super easy, super not hard to do.